The SPADE framework is a decision-making tool that assists teams in navigating complex decisions and prioritizing competing demands, particularly when multiple stakeholders are involved. Setting, people, alternatives, decide, and explain make up the acronym. In the setting phase of the SPADE framework, the team defines the what, when, and why of the product or feature. This step assists in defining objectives and ensuring that all parties are on the same page. The second step is people, in which the team determines who should be consulted, who should approve the decision, and who is ultimately accountable for making the decision. This step ensures that the appropriate individuals are involved in decision-making and that there is a clear chain of command. The third step is alternatives, in which the team generates feasible and realistic alternatives through brainstorming. This step ensures that the team is considering a variety of options and taking a thorough approach. In the fourth step, decide, the team votes on the alternatives and receives private feedback. This step ensures that the team's decision is based on the input of all stakeholders. In the final step, explain, the team calls a meeting, announces the decision, and logs it in the SPADE database. This step ensures that the decision is effectively communicated and recorded for future reference. A group of product managers, designers, and engineers attempting to add a new feature to their mobile application would be an example of the SPADE framework in action. They would begin by defining the setting, which could be adding a new feature to increase user engagement. They would then identify the people, which could include marketing, design, and engineering stakeholders. Next, they would consider alternatives, such as incorporating a chat feature, a reward system, or a new game. They would then vote on the alternatives after receiving private feedback. They would then explain the decision to the rest of the team and record it in the SPADE log. In conclusion, the SPADE framework is a structured, user-friendly decision-making instrument that can assist teams in navigating complex decisions and prioritizing competing demands, especially when multiple stakeholders are involved. It ensures that the appropriate individuals are involved in the decision-making process, that the team considers a variety of options, and that the decision is communicated clearly.